Hello dear children, I welcome everyone. Hope you all are safe at home and studying well. Children, I know you all are excited for your social studies class. Am I right? Right. Let's begin with the new chapter. A new chapter, the Great Indian Desert. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the desert region of India. Chapter 4, the Great Indian Desert. Learning points in this chapter is the Western Desert region and its location. The land features climate, vegetation and irrigation. Life of the people, festivals and places of interest. Children, this picture shows desert. A hot desert is a dry, sandy region where there is hardly any vegetation due to low rainfall. Children, this India map shows the location of Great Indian Desert. The Great Indian Desert, also called the Thar Desert, lies to the west of the Aravalli Hills and the northern plains. These hot deserts cover a major part of Rajasthan and extends into Pakistan. It extends from Kutch in the southwest to the borders of Haryana. Children, this picture shows the land features of the desert. The desert is partly rocky and partly covered with sandy soil. Children, this picture shows sand dunes. Sand dunes is a small hills of sand formed by the wind in a desert. At places, hills of sand or sand dunes can be seen. Strong winds blow the sand from one place to another. Dust storms are also very common in deserts. Children, the desert has an extreme climate. Summers are very hot with the cool nights, while winter nights are very cold. Water is scarce as rainfall is scanty. Some areas are barren as they do not receive rain. Children, life in the desert region is full of hardships, so it is sparsely populated, means less populated. People are well known for their bravery and chivalry. Hindi and Rajasthani are the main languages. Children, some people of the desert move from place to place in search of grasslands and live a nomadic life. They are known as Banjaras. A group of nomads called Gaudiya Lohar makes various things with iron and sell them as they go from one place to another. People move across the desert in groups called caravans. Children, this picture picture shows oases. The places where the underground water surface in the form of springs are called oases. Children, a little vegetation such as date palms, babul and thorny bushes grow around the oasis. Children, a few crops such as wheat, bajra, maize, jawar and gram are cultivated near the oasis. Yes, children, this is a picture of camel. Traveling in the desert is difficult and possible only on the camel. The camel has broad padded feet that do not sink into the sand. The camel can live without food and water for many days. Camel pull carts, carry loads, plow the fields and draw water from wells. Camel dung is used as a fuel. Camels also provide meat and milk. Life in the desert would indeed be difficult without the camel. So the camel is rightly called the sheep of the desert. Children, this picture shows Indira Gandhi Canal or Rajasthan Canal. Today, with the help of the Indira Gandhi Canal or Rajasthan Canal, the northern part of the desert receive water from the Satluj River. This is the second longest canal in the world. It irrigates a large part of the desert. The government has taken many years to build this 959 kilometer long canal. The largest wheat farm has come up at Suratgarh in Rajasthan with the help of a canal water for irrigation. Children, this picture shows Luni River. To the south of the desert is the Luni River, which dries up in the summer and winter months. Children, this picture shows Sambhar Lake in Rajasthan. The Sambhar Lake in Rajasthan is the saltiest lake in India. In the rocky regions, mining of mica, copper, marble and zinc is carried out. The people wear beautiful and colorful clothes. The man wears kurta with dhoti or pajama and a colorful turban. The woman wears colorful ghagra, cholis and odhnis with a lot of jewelry. Tie and dye clothes are very popular. The people are fond of singing and dancing. Festivals. Gangor, a harvest festival, and Tej, a monsoon festival, are the much celebrated festivals. Diwali, Holi, Dashera and Eid are also celebrated. At Ajmer, a big Urs is held at the tomb of the Sufi son Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti every year. The Bhils are the tribal people of the Aravalli region in Rajasthan. Children, this is the picture of Jaipur city. Hawa Mahal, Jantar Mantar. Jaipur, the pink city, is the capital of Rajasthan. It has many historical forts and palaces like Hawa Mahal, Jantar Mantar. Well-known cities of Rajasthan: Udaipur, Jaisalmer, Ajmer, Bikaner, Jodhpur. The Jain temple at Dilwara, Mount Abu, has exquisite marble carvings. Due to cutting down of forests, the desert area is spreading. In order to control these, trees, shrubs and grasses have to be grown in this area. Dear children, today we have completed the chapter 4, the Great Indian Desert. Hope you have understood all the topics. Thank you for watching the video. Meet you again with the new chapter. Till then, keep learning, keep growing and be safe.